Hey everyone, this is Brian from Puente Hyundai. In today's video, we're going to be looking at the 2022 Hyundai Santa Cruz. And what we're going to be looking at is the bed fence and how to adjust and take it off. All right everyone, in today's video, what we're going to be looking at is the bed fence. Now this is an accessory that can be added onto the Hyundai Santa Cruz. So not all of them will get them, but the ones that will have them, you'll enjoy the luxury of being able to put, bigger items in the back and having this space here that will help protect it from maybe falling off or just securing loads a little bit easier. But what we're here to do today is we're going to talk about how easy it is to take this piece off. Now, something to note is that when you have it on, there are two little sections on each side here that will be designed to hold this in place. So right now it is locked in place, just so we're all aware. In order to take them off, it's actually extremely simple. All you would do is first, obviously you have the bed down, make sure that the car is unlocked. Now, once the car is unlocked, what you're gonna do is there's the handle underneath. Once you press on the handle, this will actually disperse and it'll unlock itself. So I'm gonna show you and demonstrate that, how easy it is. Okay, so all you would do is you place your hand down, you would make sure that it's locked, and you'll notice how it just pops up, and that right there just unlocked it. Now, like I said, extremely easy to do. Now the easiest part is yet to come. All we're gonna do now is we're actually gonna lift this up, and once you lift it up, you'll actually see on here that it's just as easy as just pulling it out. Now I am one person, so it'd be easier with two people, obviously, but right here we just lift and then we pull and it should come out just like that. So what we just saw is how easy it is to take off the bed fence on the Santa Cruz. But what I also want to show you is how easy it is to reinstall it. So what we're going to notice on the sides here is on each side there's going to be a little circle piece. Now what we're doing is there's a section right on the left and right side that has an opening there. All we have to do is slide that little circle piece into it. So I'm going to demonstrate on this side first. You just lift and make sure it slides, and then on this right side again, lift, make sure it slides. Now that it's connected and on, all we would do here is we're going to be connecting this piece onto each side. What you want to make sure is that it's laid flat and this bottom piece here is pointed towards the vehicle. So what we're going to do is we're going to slide it in, and then once you hear that little click in place, then you know that it's on and it's locked. Just like that. All right, everyone, thank you so much for watching today's video. If you have any questions or concerns, please leave them in the comment section below. Please like and subscribe to the page for more. Thanks again for watching, guys.